Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can find cover songs of the current song you're currently listening to on YouTube Music. It sounds pretty complicated, but this is a new feature from YouTube Music where if you're listening to a certain song and then you go ahead and do this process, what it's going to do is going to suggest you different artists that do the same song in a cover version. So I did this as a test earlier. I typed Sam Smith Like I Can. So if I just play this without the music, all you need to do, I'll pause it. You can see at the bottom right hand corner it says related. You want to tap there where it says related, and you do want to update your YouTube Music app to the latest version. Now you can see if I scroll down, it says other performances right over here in this big block here. So this is the same song that I just listened to, but it's by different people, you can see, and you can see they're different artists, and these are cover versions. So I thought that was pretty cool, so I thought I'd bring you this video today, and that's all you need to do. And you can also see similar artists below that, and so on and so forth. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.